Hi children, welcome back to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. Children, today we will learn about how to write table of 4 and 5 in easy method. Okay, let's start. 4 ones are 4. Okay, 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 4 1 times plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 2 times. So add 4 plus 4. That is the answer also 8. So 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. Here is a 4 1. I already wrote here the dots. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So here is the 4 dots plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is also 4 dots plus 1, 2, 3, 4. It is also 4 dots. Okay. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Yes, 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are again. It is a one group. 4 dots in one group. Second group, third and 4 groups. Okay. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. So 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are how much? 20. So I already wrote here 4, 5 groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. So answer is 4 5s are 20. Okay, 4 6 are how much? 24. Again for this 20, again we add 4. Okay, so that is 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. 4 7 are 28 plus, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 4 7s are how much? We have to add these dots. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 4 7s are how much? 28. For 24 plus we add again 4. That is 28. 4 8s are 32. So 4 8s are how much? 32. For this 28 again what we have to do? Plus we can add again 4. So that equals, for 28 plus 4, that is 32. So 4 8s are 32. 4 9s are again, for this 32 we can add again 4. 2 plus 4 6. Okay. Then 3. 4 9s are 36. 4 10s are 40. Again for this 36 we add 4 plus 4, that is 40. So this is easy method of learning of table 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are, that is 40. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 4 10s are, that is 40. Okay. So like this we have to learn in the easy method table of 4 as well as 5 also. Okay. Let's begin. 5 1s are how much? 5. 5 2s are 10. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 times plus 1 2 3 4 5. 1 times 5 plus 5, that is 10. So 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 5 plus 5 plus 5. How much? 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. So 5 3s are 15. So 5 4s are 20. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 5, that is 25. 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 6s are, that is 30. For this 25 again we add 5. So that is 5. That 25 plus 5 is equal to 30. 5 6s are how much? 30. 5 7s are 35. How? So for this 30 again we add the 5, that is 35. 5 8s are how much? Again we increase the 5 numbers, that is 40. 35 plus 5, that is 40. 5 9s are, again we add 40 to 40, again we add 5, so that is 45. 5 9s are 45. 5 10s are, again for this 45 we add how much? Again 5 number, that is 50. 45 plus 5, 50. 5 10s are 50. So like this we have to practice the table of 4 and table of 5, the easy method. Thanks for watching children. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.